Hello, my name is Yvette Gyles and I will be your facilitator for the upcoming Change workshops. We have 2 workshops available. The first is Change and Me. In that workshop, we will be exploring how change can impact us and what it is that we need to do to navigate change when so often change can be out of our own control. So it's a very reflective workshop, all important time out to give it some thought and to really think about what techniques will help you with the changes you have or are experiencing. On managing change, we'll be looking at the why of change so that we can articulate that to other people so they have a clear understanding of the changes they might be experiencing. And then that role of a manager in supporting other people, looking at a range of different responses to change and what actions we can take. So both programs, time to think, time to plan, using tools and techniques, and the added bonus of working with other people experiencing similar challenges to you and hearing their tips, ideas, even their worries and their fears and what we can do about those. But don't worry, you don't need to share anything that's private or personal or confidential. So think about examples that you are willing to talk about and it might be helpful to share with others. If you have any questions, please do get in touch. I'd be happy to have a pre-chat. And there are spaces available. So if you haven't booked on yet and you're planning to do so, do get on with that. I'd love to see you on the day. I'm looking forward to working with everyone who comes on the workshops. And I can't wait to see you then.